Hey everyone, it's me Isabel. Do you think I should quit YouTube?
What's the password?
Bananas. Sorry for that interruption. Do you think I should quit YouTube? Yes or no? Comment. I have a BFF. Guess what her name is on the comments. I'd like comments. Like thumbs down, but more thumbs up. It's in here too. And that was my password journal mostly. I'm a little sick.
Too noisy. Start over in a quieter place.
And, yeah, do you think I should quit YouTube? Do you think I should keep on doing it by myself or what, Dylan? Please don't say Dylan's the best. Okay, PRV. Alright, and you could comment to see who my best friend is. I'll reveal the secret once all the contestants have done it. Comment what do you think I should do on my next video. Like I said, I have a TV and stuff. Comment of what do you think I should do. Tell me your music names if you're my friend, your Instagram or your Snapchat name. Tell me what your phone number is. Mine is 916-454-1015. No, wait. Scratch that. Hold on. Alright. I remember. It's 916-954-1015. Bye. Wait. Sorry, I had to press retry. I messed up on something. I don't know. I forgot to press play. Alright, hold on. No. Sorry. Was it my daughter? I don't really have a daughter. If you'd like to see some of my stuffed animals, please comment and say, because I have a lot more stuffed animals over here. That's my more stuffed animals than my brother. Please comment of what do you want to see or do, or what I should do. If you want to learn my secret language, you could comment and I could mostly talk, comment. I don't really know how to spell it, but I could do it on this or Snapchat or whatever. Yeah, I have a password journal, and
it's too noisy. Start over in a quieter place. What's the password?
Bananas. And in here, oh, sorry, I wasn't supposed to, okay. In here has the BFF. And if you guys saw that, please comment of what do you think you saw. And I'll reveal my BFF secret. Like I said, my password, not my password. My Musical.ly name is at Isabel. At ISABELLE033-107. Then I forget my, DYLANDOHERTY is my Snapchat. And I forget my Instagram. I'll double check on that. And I'll comment to you guys. My phone number 916-954-1015. Tell me your phone number so I can call you guys. Alright, talk to you guys soon. Comment and what do you think my today's video should be? Bye.